HOTS Higher Order Thinking Skills Module 2 2.5 C. Activity Critical Thinking in Practice.
Before we begin, please subscribe for updates. Like, comment and share. Feel free to write to us. Let's do this.
Solutions of 2.5 C. Activity Critical Thinking in Practice.
Strategy. Use predictive problem solving. Activity. Students explore simple, what-if situations, such as, what would happen if it didn't rain for a month? Objectives. Help students think critically about real situations, encourage predictions based on what they already know, build reasoning and problem-solving skills. Student engagement. Group discussions, brainstorming ideas, drawing or mapping predictions. Assessment. Logical and clear predictions, creative solutions, team participation, ability to explain their thinking. Reflection. The activity worked well because students were active, interested, and shared thoughtful ideas. A few challenges included managing time and helping quiet students participate. Overall, the activity successfully improved students' critical thinking skills. Great work. Thanks for watching.